In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link ClickUp and Slack. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your ClickUp workspace connected to Slack so that updates can flow smoothly between the two tools and help your team stay on top of tasks without constant context switching. Let's start inside ClickUp. First, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp account using your usual credentials. It doesn't matter which page you land on after logging in. You can begin this process from anywhere in your workspace. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation column. This is where you usually find things like your spaces, notifications, and other key sections. Look toward the bottom of that column for an option labeled More. Go ahead and click on More. This expands an additional menu with extra features and settings that aren't always visible by default. From this expanded menu, look for an option called Apps. This is where ClickUp manages its integrations with other platforms. Click on Apps to open the integrations page. It might take a second to load, but once it does, you'll see a list of tools that can connect to ClickUp. On the Apps page, locate Slack in the list of available integrations. The apps are usually displayed with their logos, so the Slack icon should help you spot it quickly. Once you see Slack, click on it to open the Slack integration details. On the Slack integration screen, you'll see a button labeled Connect. This is what starts the process of linking your ClickUp workspace to your Slack workspace. Click the Connect button. When you do this, ClickUp will open a new pop-up window or tab that takes you to Slack's authorization flow. In this pop-up, you're being redirected to Slack so that Slack can confirm you have permission to connect ClickUp to your workspace. If you don't see the pop-up, check if your browser is blocking pop-ups and allow it temporarily. Inside the Slack window, you'll be prompted to enter your Slack workspace URL. Click into the field provided and type the URL of the Slack workspace you want to connect. For example, in the format yourworkspacename.slack.com. Make sure you enter the correct workspace, especially if you belong to multiple Slack workspaces. After entering the URL, proceed with the prompts Slack gives you to sign in and authorize the connection. Once you complete this authorization, your ClickUp and Slack accounts will be successfully linked and you'll be ready to configure notifications and start using the integration.